everybody, I'm LEGO Separator and welcome back to another LEGO video. Today, we're going to be looking at a set number 7286 from LEGO City, and it was released in 2010. So without further ado, let's get started. So this set comes with two minifigures, and the first one is this flippin' jippin' police officer over here. So this police officer has a black uniform with a dark blue tie hidden underneath that jacket, and he has some golden buttons across his front over there and a golden badge, some plain black legs and some plain black sleeves as well, and on the top of his head he's got this white peaked hat, which we can take off to have a closer look at his standard face over here. And if we look around the back, we also have a plain black back to his back. Now our second minifigure is this criminal over here. So this criminal has a white top with some dark grey stripes going across the top over here, and we also have some buttons opening up over here to reveal a little hairy chest at the top. We also have the prisoner's number over here and some plain dark grey legs. On the top of his head over here we have this dark grey cap, which we can take off to have a closer look at his face, which has a beard going round the side, some sideburns I believe, and a gold tooth in that smile and some crooked eyebrows. And over here on the back of our criminal we have this brown loot bag, which is removable just like that, fits around the neck so he can store some loot and money that he steals, and around the back of his torso we have plain white. So the main part of this set is this police van over here. So this police van is mainly white with some blue stripes as well. Over at the front over here we have two of these headlights on either side done in white. We also have these two blue little studs as well to provide as police lights as well. We also have a little tile over here with a sticker on it, JM 7286, which I believe is the number of this set, and we also have a front grille. Over on the nose of the van we have these roof tiles going down here, and the center roof tile here has another sticker on it saying police, white letters on a blue background. And over here, looking around to the sides, we have these little blue cheese slopes to provide as mirrors, and we have these white opening doors on either side. Now over here for the wheels we have 11mm grey wheel rims and some rugged tyres, and we have some full white mud guards on either wheel as well. Now on the side we have this lower blue stripe over here and this higher blue stripe here as well, and embedded into the sides we have a little storage compartment hidden inside there, which we can store a crate inside, which I'll show you later on. And we have this ribbed textured white doors as well, which can lock into positions up and down. Now the rear part of this van is used to transport criminals from place to place. So we have these jail bar windows set into these regular windows over here, and over here at the very back we also have some of these opening doors like the car doors, just slightly larger. They have stickers on them as well, blue stickers with white police lettering on them, and this opens up to reveal a little yellow seat on the inside there to put our criminal when he's been caught. Also we have these rail pieces at the base of the doors to give it a nice style, and we also have these dark red pieces as well to be our brake lights. Now looking up here at the top of the police van, first of all up here at the front we have this large blue windscreen, and we also have this white opening roof over here, which we'll have a look just a bit. But we also have this part of the police van, which is also an opening roof, just like this, sitting on a base plate. We'll also have a closer look at that later on, but this allows us to see on the inside of the police van. So over here we have the tiles which form up the storage compartment, and over here we can easily get to our prisoner who's sitting on this little chair over here as well. We also get another one of those yellow chairs up here at the front. We'll just take this for us to have a closer look at this chair over here with this single steering wheel as well, and we also get this little red coffee mug as well. Now looking at the roofing for the van, we have this opening cab piece which is used in many different vehicles as well, and we also have these little binocular pieces to use as sirens, and we have a sticker on the top of this roof, police, and the number 03, which is the identification number of the police van. And we also have this roof piece which hosts some extra detail as well. So first of all, we have these blue pieces, these translucent blue pieces to be used as flashing lights. We also have them at the rear as well. And we also get this spinning lamp over here. So this is a little lamp to shine the way if it's a little bit dark, and this police van stops off somewhere where we can light up the way. And we also have this rear light as well to light up the doors too. And the roof just sits on these modified tiles over here, and we also get 2 little extra red tiles as well to provide as extra brake lights. Now we also get a few extra things to add to the little police scene that we have. So first of all, we have this this fence over here, this fence piece with some extra jumper plates underneath there, and some little blue lights on the top as well. And we've also got some stickers on this fence, so the top line has blue stripes with the police over there, and the bottom line has this alternating yellow and white pattern. We also do get a crate to hold some accessories for our police officer. So we have this yellow crate piece, and inside, let's have a closer look at these accessories. So first of all, we have this megaphone or loudhailer, whichever way you like to call it, done in dark grey, a single piece, handheld like that. We also get this pair of handcuffs, which fits on a minifigure's arms as well. It's done in light grey. We have a torch here, so in case we need to go out into the dark, we can do some hunting down. So it's just the black little piece and this yellow piece on top. We also get, I don't know, this little beacon piece, I suppose, done in white with this blue light as well to wave down traffic as well, some traffic controlling measures. And we have this little handheld radio as well. So all of this stuff can be fit into this storage compartment over here. You can access it on both sides, and all we need to do is to put that container in there, close the door, and we can take it with us. And finally, we also get a getaway vehicle for our criminal. So we have this orange molded motorcycle over here, which is made out of 2 pieces, the main black frame, and this orange piece over here to add onto it. Seems like it's designed in a sort of style to be like an off-road motorcycle, and we also have these little grey pegs over here to hold it up when it's standing. Our criminal minifigure can fit onto this motorcycle, so all we need to do is adjust the handholds, stick him into the footholds like so, just adjust him to fit there like that. Okay, there we go. And we also get one little piece. We get this little stick of money. This is a tile, a printed tile done in green with this 100 all over it, and this you get along with this set, so the criminal can be robbing some bank or some sort of thing. And as a little extra at the back of the instructions, there is a little comic to show a little bit about what's going on in this set. Wait, but that's the end of our video, so I hope to show you more in the future. I hope this inspired you, and until next time, happy building!